You have a bank account? Yep. Internet banking?
Yeah, why?
I just prove to you, say, I don't want nothing from you. Send me your banking details. Alright? Check your account. Listen, Tonian, I don't want anything from you. I just want a civilized mother-daughter relationship.
You want me to call a cab for you?
No, man, I'm good. I'll get my cab for me. We're good. So, when am I gonna see you again?
You text me for me because I'm really busy and I have a whole heap of dance class.
Alright then. Papa dancer, shop owner, big dancer. Proud of you. Anyway, make sure you text me and tell me when we can come look for you again here. Okay?
Alright, Maureen.
Yeah. You can't say no. Yeah, mom, I'm ready. Come pick me up by the top of the road. Yeah, man. She kind of difficult, but I think me get through to her today. Yeah, mom, I'm ready. Alright.
Anis? No, it's okay. It's okay. I have something where I really want to tell you. Well, I don't know how to say this, but I don't know how you ever feel about it or what, but I just have to tell you. Tonyana, I'm pregnant.
What? How that happen?
1 minute overdose with 0.
What him do? Him rape you?
No.
And that's why you pass out so?
Yeah, the man in sickness plus my medical condition. Feel like I eat a cause it.
Which medical condition?
I think I might be bipolar.
You ever get a medical checkup to make sure? And Anis, why you never say this to me?
I never know for sure. And Auntie Jane says she will come to a doctor to get a proper checkup to see if I am out.
So, what you plan for do?
So many much things are going on in life right now. So when I think we can manage my pregnancy right now. Plus, And I like say the father I got there in the baby life.
Anise, I hope you not consider abortion, you know.
What do you want me to do? Can't manage no baby right now. And that's the only option we can think of.
At least wait till me reach up there.
I don't think I can talk to you when you come up here. Because I have too much things to do. Sister doctor will do. Savage come up here. I threaten me. I say if I not tell him the truth, he will make me go to prison. Plus, man call me about Tom Job, which I don't know nothing about.
Wait. Savage come, they come threaten you?
Yeah, and he say him and Miss Brissette. And him know me involved in my kidnapping, and he say him going to do everything in his power to make me go to prison if I not tell the truth.
Listen, may I come up there so we can talk? Don't do nothing till me reach up there. I gotta figure this out.
No, Tony, you're not going to come up here. Everything will be alright. We'll talk to you.
You can't tell me you don't know about the drive. Here what? Me a portal your side. Make sure you have something better to tell me.
Anise. Shit.